Greetings from New York City. It's a rainy night here. I just have a few minutes to pop in and tell you something that I think you need to hear. Spencer Cornelia is signed to the same agency as many of the YouTube finance influencers that caught so much flack for aggressively promoting things like BlockFi and FTX.
Through our sponsor today, FTX US, where you could buy it with no fixed fees. You can buy things like NFTs in their platform very easily. Take it away, Grant.
Here's what he said about the blame that was given to YouTubers, and I found a really important flaw in his argument that I want to bring to your attention.
The first argument I'm presenting is that FTX had global sponsors with audiences exponentially larger than anyone sponsored on YouTube. From my perspective, if you're looking to place blame and you're a logical and reasonable adult and use a weighted scale, then finance YouTubers should receive such an insignificant amount that it's not even statistically important. Tom Brady and Gisele Bündchen were featured in this FTX ad as sponsors. Stephen Curry was also an official FTX sponsor as seen in this ad. This FTX ad featuring Larry David has been seen 46 million times. Do you understand how much bigger the reach and how much more influence these celebrities have than finance YouTubers?
No, he's wrong.
I'm just presenting the argument that if you were someone who's blaming influencers, then those who are reaching 50 to 100 million people probably are a little more at fault than someone with a fraction of the audience size.
Here's the problem with this argument. There's so much wrong with it, but let me show you the mathematics behind it. I was able to scrape every video in view count from Andre Jick's YouTube channel. I narrowed it down to just videos that he released in 2021 and 2022. The total view count, 143 million and change.
This FTX ad featuring Larry David has been seen 46 million times.
From the beginning of 2021 through, let's say, December 1st of 2022, 143 million.
46 million. Do you understand how much bigger the reach and how much more influence these celebrities have than finance YouTubers?
The notion that these people don't have the same sort of reach is false. Secondly, and I can't believe that Spencer, who seems like a logical guy himself, fails to acknowledge this, the people who signed up for BlockFi or FTX through these links, they had the intent that marketers dream of. If I'm watching a video, one of Andre Jick's dumb videos about how I became a Dogecoin millionaire or how I pulled a $50 out of my anus, if you create a lot of content like that, which only gets people excited,
Bitcoin will reach $1 million a coin by 2030.
Then you give them the link.
Go grab up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin right here.
Furthermore, no one thinks Tom Brady or Stephen Curry is a financial expert. They don't present themselves as such, and actually in Stephen Curry's ad, not an expert.
Not an expert.
Come on, Spencer, step it up, dude, and get a new shirt. You're not Cameron.